so much for tuning in to another episode of Teen Gen Talks, where the goal is to empower the youth of Glendale, connect youth to community resources, individuals, and organizations. I'm your host, Melissa.
And Desiree. Today is a special episode because we are going to be doing a DIY upcycled old book rose ball decoration. So yeah, we hope you enjoyed the video and follow along with us if you'd like. We'll let you know what materials you need. But yeah, hope you enjoy the video.
Enjoy!
Cut out pages from the book.
Yes.
There we go. And if there's like, what is this called? Like the binding of the glue? Like you just cut it out. Like, yeah.
Yeah, like the glue.
Yeah.
I bet you we could.
Like this.
Maybe you might have maybe if you tore one.
Yeah.
My book is, I think it's too new to.
Yeah. Right. Yeah, like kind of like this type. I don't know. Like you just cut this part off.
Should we rip them all?
I think a good amount, like, to start off with, you know? I don't like this. Yeah, because mine is a little bit harder to cut.
Oh yeah,
yeah, something like that. Yeah, there you go. So that's step one. So once you have all of your pages ripped off, now it's time to create the roses. Once you have it like this, you're gonna cut this part out.
Fold it like a triangle.
Yeah, like a triangle.
Cut correctly.
Okay, so you're gonna have this, right? Once you cut the excess off, then it's gonna be a triangle, and then you're gonna fold it into a tinier triangle. So like this.
Finally, fold the triangle in half one final time.
Okay. There's gonna be a lot of folding today.
Is this like origami? No, just.
I don't think it is.
No, we should make an origami village.
Oh, that'd be cute. So like
any of them?
Just these open ones. So these ones you're gonna like do around. I'm left-handed, sorry. So this point right here, this is, you won't cut this. You're gonna cut like around here, like that.
Oh, okay. I know what we did wrong. We did, that's what I did.
Yeah, I don't know, I think I just cut it weird.
So,
like, I don't know.
Just one big round.
Yeah, but not too deep, because I did this way too deep. Like, yeah, and then start rounding it. Wait, like, okay, well, okay. Oh my god. No. I think, you could like, look.
Not artistic.
No, but like, see, look, you start here, and then you start rounding it like this. Okay? So then you have, it's like a petal.
Okay.
Is this a petal? I don't know.
Like
kind of like a heart.
Yeah, I was gonna say it makes a heart.
But see?
Oh.
And I think like depending like how, like it could be small or it could be big, So now that we have our little flowers, I know, little. So we are gonna speed this up. We're back. We have made some progress. We have petals, not petals, flowers.
Book petals.
So for the first flower, you're just gonna cut a petal off.
One petal.
One petal off. I hope I don't mess this up. Kinda like this. Okay.
Should I do it too?
Yeah. You cut that petal off.
Look how good this one is. I'm gonna do a bad one. So wait.
So you cut one petal for the first one. And then the second one, you're gonna cut 2 petals off of it.
I know why, because it's gonna make a flower.
Yes. A rose. A rose. A rose flower. Okay. So then you're gonna have like a little heart. The third flower, you're gonna cut 3 petals off. And then the last one,
Cut it in half.
you cut in half. Yeah. Okay. So you're gonna take this petal and you're gonna glue it. You're gonna roll it and then glue it. Kind of like, I guess, like push. Yeah, I know. It's like kind of hard because it's like.
I should go to the encyclopedia.
I know, like thicker pages. So basically, you're gonna want it like this, like kind of like a little. You're gonna grab your glue gun and you're gonna glue that. You're gonna do the same thing with this one too. You're gonna roll and glue it like so.
What's that called? The second. Does it matter what?
The 2 petals. The 2 petals. And then the 3 petal piece, you're gonna do the same thing. Once you're done with those, you're also gonna roll these other ones as well. So once you have completed all of the folding, you're gonna take a pencil and you're gonna roll the petals like so to make it a little bit more,
Wait, which? Oh, out.
just like
okay.
outwards, yeah. you're going to take your larger base and then you're going to start like piling your other petals inside and like gluing it inside. Like that. Yeah, that's
Oh, they're so cute. It's probably gonna look really cute with like the different color pages.
Yeah. Ooh, yes.
Because yours is more
Yes.
what's
Yeah.
page look like?
Okay, now you get the burlap. So we have our burlap, and we're gonna make a triangle and then cut the excess off.
Do all of them need to have it?
I think for the most part. Then you have the square. So you have a square. You're gonna fold it in half, and then fold it another half. And then you're gonna start to round out the edges. And you're gonna have something like this, kind of like how you did these.
Maybe yours is compared to mine.
And then just like have it like that. So then we're gonna glue this piece onto this. So you would repeat this process as many times to fill up, yes, this ball. So what you're gonna do, right, is you're gonna hot glue this to the styrofoam ball, and we will show you.
Oh, look how cute that is.
And you will repeat the process all around. We will come back once this is completed. Thank you for watching.
It's like a few days later.
I know,
A few weeks later.
But yeah, we will come back when this is finished.
Yes. So stay tuned.
Yes, stay tuned
For the final result.
And it's gonna be like the next step, so. And this is our final product. As you can tell, it's just like, it's a cute little decoration thing. It looks like a little bouquet of flowers, roses, these are called roses, flowers, yeah. It did take a little bit longer, just because I think it's like very detailed. Tedious, there we go, that's the word. But I do think the final product is really nice. So you could like display it like that on like your coffee table or kitchen, whatever you want.
Perfect Mother's Day gift.
Exactly. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos from us and other Glendale Library Arts and Culture staff. Don't forget to also follow us on Spotify or Apple or anywhere where you get your podcast from at TGT Talks.
And follow us on Facebook and Instagram at MyGlendaleLAC for updates.
Yeah. And for more content.
Yes.
Once again, thank you for watching and see you next time.
Bye.